In this video, we listed the 5 best indoor cycling bikes that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Bowflex Cycling Bike. The Bowflex VeloCore 22 IC bike offers a versatile and high-tech indoor cycling experience designed to enhance fitness routines. Priced at $2,799.94, it features 100 levels of magnetic resistance for progressive workouts. This bike supports both stationary and leaning mode, focusing on core and arm strength. Adjustable features include dual-link pedals, a customizable seat, and handlebars with multiple grip positions. It boasts a 22-inch HD touchscreen for immersive workouts and includes a 2-month free trial of JRNY All-Access membership, providing adaptive workouts and streaming entertainment. Compatible with popular third-party apps like Peloton and Zwift, it also supports Bluetooth connectivity for sharing workout metrics. The Bowflex VeloCore 22 IC bike is designed for indoor use, combining fitness innovation with interactive technology. Number 2. Merrick Exercise Bike. Merrick offers a robust stationary electric bike designed for effective indoor workouts with a focus on comfort and performance. Built from durable alloy steel, this bike features a friction resistance mechanism and dimensions of 40 inches in depth, 22 inches in width, and 45 inches in height, accommodating users up to 300 pounds. Its special features include a Bluetooth-enabled app connection for tracking metrics like distance, calories, and heart rate via Merrick and Phantom Fight apps, compatible with Kinemap and Zwift. The bike boasts a quiet, smooth belt drive system for minimal noise, alongside an electronic LED monitor for real-time exercise data feedback. Designed for stability with a dual triangle frame, it includes adjustable seat and handlebars suitable for users from 4 feet 8 inches to 6 feet 2 inches. Merrick provides a 12-month warranty and emphasizes customer support with prompt responses to inquiries and issues. Ideal for weight loss, body shaping, and general fitness at home, it enhances exercise enjoyment with features like a double-slot water bottle holder and ergonomic design considerations. Number 3. Peloton Indoor Exercise Bike. The Peloton Bike Plus offers a premium indoor cycling experience with its advanced features and technology. Priced at $2,495, it features a rotating 23.8-inch HD touchscreen that allows seamless transitions from cycling to floor exercises, along with studio-quality sound for immersive workouts. Auto resistance adjusts based on instructor cues, and the bike supports a variety of workout types including gamified sessions and scenic rides. It integrates real-time metrics for tracking performance and heart rate, supports customizable workout plans, and offers entertainment options like streaming TV shows and movies. Designed for comprehensive fitness tracking and interactive training, the Peloton Bike Plus aims to enhance the home workout experience with innovative features and updates driven by user feedback. Number 4. Horizon Fitness Cycle Bike. The Horizon 7.0 IC Indoor Cycle by Horizon Fitness offers a premium home workout experience with its magnetic resistance system and precision aluminum flywheel, ensuring a smooth and quiet ride suitable for users of all skill levels. Designed for comfort, it features Bluetooth connectivity to sync with fitness apps, enabling users to track performance seamlessly. With a sturdy aluminum build and ergonomic details like multi-position grip handlebars and a racing-style saddle, it supports up to 300 pounds and is easy to move around at just 87 pounds. Ideal for indoor use, this bike combines quality construction with modern technology to enhance your cycling regimen at home. Number 5. Concept 2 Bikeerg 2900 Bike. The Concept 2 Bikeerg stationary exercise bike, Model 2900, offers a robust fitness solution with its adjustable seat and handlebar positions for a personalized fit. It features a durable aluminum frame weighing 68 pounds, designed for both strength and mobility with built-in caster wheels. Powered by 2 size D batteries, it utilizes air resistance for a smooth cycling experience. The bike dimensions are 48 inches in length by 24 inches in width, with a height of 41 inches, and it supports a maximum weight of 300 pounds. Ideal for indoor use, it includes a PM5 performance monitor and is noted for its clutched flywheel that allows for easy intervals and coasting, mimicking real biking experiences. Easy to assemble and designed for powerful sprints, it combines durability and functionality for home workouts.